Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the unboxing of the Apple Watch Ultra with the Ocean Band. Stay tuned. Okay guys, now we're going to open up these fancy bags and we're going to set up the Apple Watch. It's a very premium Apple Watch and the price tag is $799. And let's go ahead and open it up. And as you can see, it is really nice presentation. This bag, it looks very good, and as you can see, it has the ocean. And my color, I picked the Ocean Band because blue is my favorite color, and then I find out that the Ocean Band looks great. And this is the manual, as you can see there. And these are the different bands: Alpine, Ocean, and Trail. But I chose the Blue Ocean, which is really nice. And now this is the watch along with the action button and also nice crown. And this is the presentation of the Apple Watch. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the box and then go through the details. And let's check out the band. This is the Blue Ocean Band, which is my favorite band, and it is really nice. And we're gonna go ahead and open up the box. It has the Apple Watch inside and also the charger. And the watch comes with only one option. It's the titanium color. There's only the one single color, but either way, it's a nice watch, very premium. And let's check out the cable charger. It's a very nice cable charger, a USB-C charger, and nicely braided, as you can see it here. And this is the watch. Let's go unwrap it, take the cover off it. And it's a very nice watch, and it is a little bit heavy, so you can see by touching it, you can see that it's a very premium watch, very rugged watch. And as you can see, this is the action button and also the crown that's really protected, and this other button you can push it to start the watch. So let's go ahead and start it up. In the meantime, let's check out the band. So this is the Ocean Band in navy blue. It is really nice. Navy blue is my favorite color. And on top of that, with this band, it is plastic, so it doesn't get wet. It gets wet, and then all you have to do is just like wipe it off. Unlike the other ones, the Alpine Loop, once it gets wet, you have to dry it out, and they get dirty real quick. However, this one, it doesn't require any high maintenance. Just wipe it off, and that's it. And if you're looking for a replacement band, they have them available at the Apple Store, but they cost $99 each one of them. Either the Ocean or the Alpine or the Trail, the price tag is $99. However, you can get it at Amazon for cheaper price. It might not be the same quality, but that's the work. So it all depends on what you're looking for. But if you want the high quality, the same one that comes with the Apple Watch Ultra, you gotta get it from the Apple Store, and they are $99. And as you can see, man, we're gonna put this on the watch while the watch is like working. Actually, let's go set it up. It seems like it is ready to be set up. So I grab my iPhone, and then as you can see, it detected the watch right away, and all you have to do is just follow the instructions. And you're gonna have to scan the watch after you set the permissions and everything. And as you can see, it has a nice interface. The application is a good looking app. So we're gonna go ahead and press on setup, and then you're gonna scan the watch into the phone and let it do its magic. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me thumbs up, and also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video on YouTube. And now as you can see, it says your Apple Watch is paired, and then let it do the rest. So we're gonna follow the instructions on the phone. It is very simple, you know, like you choose left or right hand. So I'm gonna wear on my left hand, and then hit continue. And in the meantime, we're gonna put the Ocean Band on the watch, and you're gonna see that it's a great looking band, nice bluish color. So we're gonna put it right on there, and as you can see, it looks very nice. It looks marvelous. And you're gonna have to follow the instructions of the phone during the setup process. So you're gonna have to say agree with all terms, and then now after that, it's gonna take a while. You're gonna put a code if you want to, but I chose not to put any code because I don't need a code on my watch really. So I just choose don't put a code, and then you let it sit. You're gonna see it's gonna take a while for the watch to be set up. And also here there is option for the text. You can choose bold and size as well. So I'm just gonna hit on continue, not to choose any options. And also they optimize charging limit, so you can preserve your battery. That will make your battery life last longer. And also shared setting activity, you can set up your activity as well. So it's gonna ask you your age and also your height and weight and much more setup. So all you have to do is just follow the instructions. And it is asking me if I take any medication. I'm just gonna say no, I'm not taking any medication. I mean, it is very, very helpful. So if you are into sports or anything like that, this watch is great for you. And also it watches your health, it monitors your health. It has the ECG and also the safety options here, ECG and also the crash detector and so on. And also it's gonna ask you if you want to set up the cellular. So I'm just gonna transfer my number into this watch, but I'm gonna call the provider. But if you want, you can just do it over the phone on the application. And also always on display, so that's the great feature of the watch. I'm gonna leave it like always on. And you can change the app view, so if you want to see icons only, or you can see a list. And now it says Apple Watch is syncing. In the meantime, you can discover your Apple Watch. So the setup process takes a little bit of time. So once it starts syncing, you can just set it aside and do something else until it is done. So you can get to know your Apple Watch by going to discover. So from here you can check out different options, the watch faces, and etc. And during the setup process, you can discover your watch simply by going to discover and getting started. And from here you can see tons of options, and the watch is syncing, and it has a nice feature, the action button. It will take you straight to the sports mode, but you can go ahead and change it to any mode you like. And as you can see, it is ready. The watch is already paired with my phone, and it is a beautiful, great looking interface. The watch face is amazing. It has tons of complications, and these are the applications that are installed into the watch. So this is a lot of apps that are inside the watch that you can use. So this watch is more likely an iPhone. You can make phone calls, send text messages, and also you get tons of notification. And these are the watch faces, a great variety of watch faces. So guys, I love this watch. It is great, good looking watch, very premium, very rugged, and it is $800. I think it is really worth it if you are into sports. It has tons of mode, and also it controls your health as well, and it is very safe. It watch out for you, such as the crash detection and also the ECG and the heart rate monitor and body temperature. It is amazing. And this is the crown. You can set it up on night mode if you want to. It has tons of options. I need to get to know it because I haven't had an Apple Watch for a long time, and my last Apple Watch was the Apple Watch Series 4, and it was great. But this one is just amazing. It has tons of options. I'm not really disappointed. I really love it. I like the look of it. I have a small wrist though, but I think it's gonna look on my wrist. I'm gonna show you during this review. And as you can see, it has a nice variety of watch faces. And let's put on this buckle. This one is that when you strap your watch, you can put it inside this buckle. You can loop it up and put it inside this buckle. I don't think I'm putting it in right, but I'm gonna get to learn it. I'm gonna get to discover this watch. It is amazing. This is the watch on my wrist. I have a small wrist, but I think it looks great on my wrist as well. So this is the unboxing of the Apple Watch Ultra. So this is mine. I'm going to use it for my daily driver, and it is excellent. So I'm going to come back with another review because I need to discover this watch and I need to get the hang of it and get familiar with it. So it has a lot of features to discover. So I'm going to come back with another review of the watch once I get the hang of it. But as you can see, you got to use your phone, and also from here you can discover multiple watch faces. And guys, as Apple mentioned, you should get 36 hours of battery life, and we gonna find out on my next review. But so far, I really appreciate what Apple did. This watch is really nice, and it is amazing. And also the screen is very sturdy, very strong. It's hard to break it or to scratch it. So guys, this was the unboxing of the Apple Watch Ultra Ocean Band, blue navy band, which is my favorite color, and the watch is just amazing. So it's gonna be my favorite, and I love it, and it is really amazing. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and I see you on my next video. Bye bye.